5 tools everyone in the crypto industry should be using. The increased acceptance of cryptocurrencies globally has led to an influx of beginner crypto investors, with over 20,000 cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. Cryptocurrencies are becoming popular investments for both young and old, and nobody wants to miss out. Nevertheless, investing in cryptocurrency is risky, especially if you need the necessary tools to analyze the market and keep your investment safe. As in every other investment, there are winners and losers, but one particular attribute of consistent winners is that they have the best tools available in the industry. Again, this video and other videos available on this channel are not financial advice. From analyzing tools to crypto saving tools, here are the top 5 tools you should take advantage of. Number 1. Hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are cryptocurrency wallets that save users' private keys in a secure hardware device. These keys are important pieces of information that a user can use to authorize transactions on the blockchain. The idea of hardware wallets is to separate your private keys from your internet-based phone or laptop, making it practically impossible for you to be hacked. Unlike your fiat money wallets, cryptocurrencies are not stored inside hardware wallets. Cryptocurrency is data stored on the blockchain, and users can assess their investments through their private keys. Private keys are more like PIN codes and have to be carefully protected, because hardware wallets store users' assets offline, reducing the possibility of hackers stealing crypto holdings. It is considered a safe method of keeping crypto assets. There are also software wallets, also called web-based crypto or hot wallets. These are permanently online wallets, and although it gives users the convenience of logging into their account and making any transaction from different devices and locations as long as they're online, it also opens them up to the possibility of hackers stealing their crypto assets. Whether you're using hot wallets or cold wallets, keeping your keys safe and private is crucial. There are several great hardware wallets in the crypto industry, like SafePal, Trezor, and Ledger. The Ledger wallet is the most popular hardware wallet and resembles a standard USB thumb drive with a steel shell. The device has great Bluetooth connectivity and exceptional mobile support. You can connect it to any mobile device or personal computer with Bluetooth or USB. From Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dash to Tron, Ethereum, and plenty of other cryptos, the Ledger wallet supports more than 30 cryptocurrencies. The wallet is constantly updated to meet user satisfaction. Despite its stunning features, many users have noted their displeasure with the significant amount of time it takes to reboot or set up due to interference layout. Also, investors and digital creators on the Ethereum blockchain can save their NFTs on MetaMask. MetaMask is a secure crypto wallet for NFTs, DeFi, and Web3 dApps. Number 2. CoinMarketCap Portfolio Tracker. Keeping track of your crypto assets can be demanding, especially if you have different investments in diverse blockchains. You must log into different accounts to check how well your assets are doing. Portfolio trackers were designed to eliminate this problem. It helps investors to keep track of their assets conveniently and efficiently. Portfolio trackers arrange all of your crypto assets in one place so that you can see your profits or loss in real time. It also informs you of the current crypto prices. Many crypto investors have as many as 20 investments, and tracking them one by one can be exerting. To prevent this, top crypto investors use the CoinMarketCap Portfolio Tracker to manage their investments in one place. CoinMarketCap also works as a crypto price aggregator and helps you track portfolio valuation, losses, and profits. But that's not all. It's safe and secure, provides real-time price data, and is easy to use. Additionally, its price analysis helps investors to determine the best time to buy or sell their assets. Number 3. CoinMarketCal Event Tracker. CoinMarketCap Event Planner helps you to stay up to date with all the events and major happenings in the crypto system and blockchain networks. The aim is to keep you informed so that you can make better choices in the market. To ensure you get all of the important events in the crypto space, the CoinMarketCal Event Tracker has a crypto calendar listing every major crypto world event. The crypto industry is fast-growing, and as such, it's awash with new updates and events, from platform launches to blockchain upgrades and informal meetups. As a crypto investor, attending crypto events is important in creating connections and expanding your network. Also, certain events like halving, airdrops, and hard forks can significantly reduce or increase the prices of cryptocurrencies, thereby providing an opportunity for traders to profit. With the CoinMarketCap Event Tracker, you can pick the events that you deem as priorities or events pertaining to your favorite crypto coin. Number 4. CryptoCraft. CryptoCraft is a website where professional traders from different parts of the world come together to share their ideas. The site is designed to connect professional traders in the cryptocurrency markets to the market and to each other so as to improve their overall trading results. It is expected that every time a trader visits the site's forum, they should gain more knowledge and have a heightened market awareness and fresh ideas. The website also acts as a news feed that provides traders with the current market-moving information and is a forum for traders to discuss the crypto events in their economics calendar that can influence the crypto market. CryptoCraft is not designed to just support traders, it also defends against all deceit, misinformation, and disadvantageous trades. CryptoCraft takes the promotion of the right information very seriously, even as they provide market charts that are based on prices aggregated from several trades. CryptoCraft aims to be the world's most insightful and purest cryptocurrency trading resource. Their goal is to promote valuable information on their site and make it accessible to every trader in the world, regardless of financial standing, location, time zone, or citizenship. Owned and operated by Fair Economy Incorporated, CryptoCraft prides itself as a company focused on democratizing financial information. Number 5. TradingView. TradingView is a web-based platform where investors, educators, market enthusiasts, and traders can interact, share ideas, and analyze market trends. As a trader, participating in these discussions can improve your growth by increasing your knowledge of the market and how it operates. To accelerate your learning, you need to be in an educational environment that will allow you to have access to different viewpoints, strategies, and ideas. Being among professionals will teach you tools, data, and crucial ideas that helped them grow in their field. By using TradingView, you stand a chance of improving your techniques, knowledge of markets, and method of trading, all while perfecting your chart and trading skills. The rich knowledge that you will also gain will help you make beneficial decisions. Crypto trading is a risky endeavor. You can either win or lose. However, with TradingView, you will learn everything you need to improve as a trader and make more profit than loss. The platform's goal is to help traders make better trading choices by providing useful information and interaction with other traders. Interestingly, TradingView has more than 10 million active traders who visit their website monthly, and about 1,000 new members sign up daily. Most of these new entrants are novice traders who don't know much about trading and hope to take advantage of the rich well of knowledge shared by the community of professional traders on the platform. Unfortunately, some traders on the platform have devised means to scam these unsuspecting newbies of their money. Many high-rated contributors on the platform pretend to be open to teaching others the tricks of their trade and charge money for their courses. Once enthusiastic novice traders have paid, they disappear or share basic ideas that are readily available online. To avoid this, it's important for the new traders that are signing up for the platform to understand that TradingView is not a signal service, so they should do their due diligence before buying any course. Trading and learning trading techniques takes a long time to master, so even if you take that course, you still need to trade to learn what trading is about. There you have it, 5 great tools anyone in the crypto space must have. However, there is a bonus tool, and that is chain analysis. Chain analysis is a famous crypto tool that focused on blockchain technology. It is remarkably different from the other tools discussed earlier because it is dedicated to the blockchain network rather than tokens and coins. Chain analysis is primarily a crypto investigation software that sends relevant blockchain data, services, research, and software to financial institutions, government agencies, cybersecurity companies, and several other entities worldwide. The software was developed to provide knowledge and tools needed for market participants to operate in accordance with the national and local laws. Chain analysis and the data they've provided have been useful in solving several high-profile criminal cases. Their work has also helped improve people's trust in cryptocurrency and increase customer access to cryptocurrency. They also have a chain analysis data service which consistently maps on-chain data. Founded by Michael Gronegger and Jonathan Levin in 2014, chain analysis has built trust in blockchains among people, government agencies, and businesses. Which of these tools have you used, and which do you plan to use after watching this video? Don't hesitate to share in the comment section. Till the next video, take care.